Here's a good GRE quantitative comparison question. Let's take a look. We're told right up front that x times y cannot equal 0. And this is the problem just saying to us, hey, x can't be 0 and y can't be 0. And as we're going to see, we're dealing with distance and speed here, so we're going to be describing these in positive terms. So we're going to be looking at positive numbers. Okay, we have these two values here, quantity A and quantity B. Quantity A, the time required to travel x miles at y miles per hour, and quantity B, the time required to travel x over 2 miles at 2y miles per hour. Whoa, x, y, 2 miles per hour speed, right? All this stuff going on. This all comes down to your knowledge of the distance rate time equation. And if you don't know it, you absolutely should. And here it is. Distance equals rate times time. 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 Okay, learn it. So what we're doing here is we're comparing time to time. So we want to get time by itself in both these cases. Let's plug in the numbers that we have. X miles is talking about the distance. Y miles per hour is the rate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in x for d. I'll say x equals y times time. And to get time by itself, I just need to divide both sides by y. There we go. So time equals x over y on this one. Now, how about over here? The time required to travel x over 2. My distance here is x over 2, so let me plug that in. X over 2 for my distance equals a rate of 2y times time. And once again, to get time by itself, I'm just going to divide both sides by 2y, right? If I divide this side by 2y and I divide this side by 2y, that's a way to divide it, right? Multiply it by 1 over 2y. Then what I get is time equals x over 4y. Now, which one of these two is bigger? This, x over y, or x over 4y? Well, quantity A is bigger. And the reason for that is that these are both fractions, but this one has a bigger numerator, a bigger denominator, right? The number on the bottom is bigger, making this overall fraction smaller. Correct answer here is quantity A. For more GRE tips and tricks or to sign up for my live online course, follow the link on my profile.